Alright, now that we're done laying out all of our colors, we want to make some adjustments to the values and the colors. The reason for this is because you don't always know exactly how everything is going to look together. And once you have everything together, you may not like certain aspects of your artwork. So for example, we're going to start off with the goggles. I think the goggles are just a little bit too dark, so we're going to lighten them. The way we'll do this is by adding a hue and saturation layer above our goggles layer. So we'll hit this little guy right here that says hue and saturation. So we'll click it, and now that's added a hue and saturation. Now because we added it underneath our clipping mask, it automatically turned it into a clipping mask, which is good. Next, what we want to do is we want to bring up the brightness on this. I don't want it super bright, but as you can see, you can take it all the way up to white or take it all the way down to black. We want it just a little bit past where it was before. Plus 13 is good. Alright. The next thing I want to adjust is I want to adjust his scarf. So I'm going to go down and find the scarf layer. So we'll add a hue and saturation. And this time we want the hue and saturation above our color. This is because we want to affect the color. Anything that is underneath this hue and saturation within this clipping mask is going to be affected. So our value is going to be affected and our color is going to be affected. So we want to bring down the saturation on this. Now I just want to bring down the saturation on this. I think that looks good. Now lastly, I want to bring down the saturation on his shirt. So we're going to do the same exact thing for his shirt. So we'll find the shirt layer. We'll add a hue and saturation. We'll bring that above the color layer. And then we're just going to bring down that saturation. And while I'm at it, I think I want a shirt just a little bit lighter too. So I'm going to bring that up to about there. Now lastly, I want to change his boots. So I'm going to come down to the boot layer. I'm going to add a hue and saturation. And this time I don't need to affect the color, I just want to bring down the darkness. Great. I think that looks good. So if you're creating your own character right now, go ahead and go through and play with the different adjustments until you get it looking the way you want it. Thank you for watching this lecture, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.